If your ChatGPT results are bad, it's not the AI, it's your prompt. Imagine typing a vague instruction and getting a generic response. Now imagine typing a clear, detailed prompt and unlocking powerful answers that save time and boost productivity. That's the key difference. Welcome to Idris Tech, where we simplify AI for everyone. Let's break it down. A prompt is simply the question or instruction you give to ChatGPT. The better your prompt, the better your result. Let's see this in action. Suppose you enter "write email." You get a basic message, nothing special. But try this instead. Write a professional email to my manager requesting leave for 2 days due to personal reasons. Now you receive a polished, thoughtful email, ready to send. Why such a big difference? It all comes down to 3 simple rules. First, be clear. Don't leave things open for interpretation. Say exactly what you want. Second, be specific. Include details like who, what, when, or why. Third, give context. Share background or purpose so ChatGPT understands the situation. Let's look at some more practical examples. Weak prompt. Explain networking. Result? Too broad. Improved prompt. Explain networking in simple terms for beginners. Now you get a focused, understandable explanation. Another weak prompt. Write business idea. Better prompt. Suggest 5 low-investment business ideas in Dubai. The response is actionable and directly relevant. Here's a handy tip. You can ask ChatGPT to change tone, format, or style. Try phrases like, make it professional, list the steps, or even, explain like I'm 5. And remember, you're not stuck with your first prompt. You can refine and edit again and again, each time improving your results. Ask yourself, did I give enough details? Can I add more context? Did I specify the format or tone? Let's recap. Clear, specific, detailed prompts give powerful results. The more information you provide, the smarter your answers. Ready to transform your AI experience? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Idris Tech for more powerful AI tutorials. Start your AI journey today and stay ahead in the digital world.